You're right there, 6 Plus Save here, going over a review of this new product for the channel. It's the OSMO Mobile 3 Gimbal. It's actually the combo pack. So on the back here, you got the grey gimbal, you got a refresher card, which is basically its warranty. You got a load of gear in here. So this is going to be an opening, first impression, and then down the line, I'm going to do an actual more in-depth how it was like to use the actual product. Because there's no point me doing a review of the product right now when I haven't even used it. But anyway, I digress. On here, you get a 2-year warranty, accidental hardware damage cover. You got includes water damage, free 2-way shipping, so I can send it and get it done. That's the shield part of the combo. But anyway, this is what's actually in the box. You get the gimbal itself, carry case, tripod grip, power charger, storage pouch, and wrist strip. But let's open this up. This is your care thing, and I have to admit it came in a nice sturdy box. So chatted enough, let's get this thing opened up. Nice sharp blade. If you're doing this yourself, sounds obvious, be careful what you're doing, because sharp blades never help anyone if you're prattling around. So please be careful. Okay, so it's your basic thing. Brand new, unactivated, activate within 30 days. Device has to be repaired by official center. Fine, that's your usual thing that you have to do. Okay, that's your normal, purchase 30 days, blah, 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 that you get with electrical goods. And this is the actual gimbal itself. I've seen a lot of good reviews over this, and that's why went out for the channel and got this. Now, where's he? It's so well packaged, I can't quite tell where. It's at the top, isn't it? I'm being a dunce. But anyway, let's be careful. This is quite nice. It's that nice new packaging feeling that you get. Hopefully it doesn't come across too loud in the video. But yeah, that's what it looks like when you've got your mobile attached. Or that's the idea. Let's see if ideas actually come to fruition. Let's get that packaging over there. Let's have a little look. So I've already cut the seal label. No going back, people. Got this off Amazon, so it was Amazon Prime, so it arrived the following day. You can get it like pre-owned and so on and so forth, but something this important. A little bit of packaging at the bottom. Oh, sorry, not the camera. A little bit of packaging at the bottom to protect the bottom of it. Let's just put the warranty in this box so it doesn't go missing later. Carry case, feel some weight in it, so I think the actual gimbal's in there. Nice carry case. It's nicely protected in this anti-static bag, I want to say. But this feels nice. It's actually textured. Oh. Ooh. Little storage thing at the back. This is cool. This is actually genuinely really cool. I think getting the combo, it was an extra £20. But you get the warranty, you get all this extra bit on top. And yeah, here you go. Let's move that out of the way. Oh yeah, don't eat. I'll be tempted to keep this foam stuff in there. But this is the actual gimbal itself. Phone camera directions. This is really cool. So it's supposed to be all click orientated. Whoa, this is funky. As I said, this is why it's going to be a 2-part video, because this is my first impression on it. But yeah, I'll probably do another video, say a month down the line, if that, showing the pros and cons to this. But I'm genuinely really it feels good. It feels like it's not going to break. Sometimes you get stuff and you kind of go, it's is too plasticky, it's too lightweight. But this got this rubberized mock leather on there. It feels genuinely hardy. There's a bit of weight to it, which is quite nice, so you feel like it's going to be quite solid. But it feels quite nicely balanced. You've got a trigger by your thumb. I believe this is like zoom in and out function. You then got options to play around joystick. It's all easy access, I have to admit, holding it. Yeah, I'm really quite impressed by that. Instructions, self-leveling, so on and so forth. Press and hold the record trigger and the M simultaneously for 1 second to forget the button, forget the Bluetooth. This connects via Bluetooth to your phone device that you're using to do selfies or record or whatever you're doing for this. The great thing about a gimbal, I'll go over in a minute the reasons why I'm getting it. But anyway, I digress. Let's go over the other bits of this combo. Ooh. I'm probably opening this up completely backwards. There's probably people out there going, I've already got this and you're opening it up completely cack-handedly or blah, 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 and all this and all that. And I'm like, yeah, well, no one's perfect, are they? I don't want to rip anything that I don't need to rip. Is this supposed to come out? Not. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, these pop out. I'm being stupid. Okay, so they pop out. And that's how they segregate everything off. Alright, so on the far side, you got your tripod, if it wants to play ball. Yep, that looks like it's the tripod. So if you see on the bottom of the handle, there's a thread with measurements on it. So that probably, if you want a bigger tripod, one of those freestanding, you know, high stands. And then, that's cool. That genuinely feels really, yeah, that's sturdy. That's not going to go anywhere. There you go. That's not going to go anywhere. So that's cool. So you got some rubber feet. Required to use anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone to the phone holder. Okay, cool. Cool. At least they got instructions there. You know, some people may say I'm a boomer. I do like having, you know, straightforward instructions. Ooh. Speak as a devil. You got instructions. That's cool. Multiple different languages. Fine. Most, you know, electrical goods these days have multiple languages. Now, the question is, there's cabling down here. There you go. There's your power cable. What connection do you use? Oh, that's the C-type USB connection, which, unless I'm mistaken, there you go. There it is. Goes in there. Cool. Do apologise if I keep knocking the camera in any form, but USB. That's cool. So that's probably how you actually update the system. But anyway, that'll be in the instructions later on. And finally, he says, I don't know if this is finally or not, the wrist mount. So that will then, there you go, that will go through that, like you use any other wrist mount. Always useful to use a wrist mount if you can. And the carry pouch for it to go in. But I've got a phone beside me, which is the other half's phone. She's graciously allowed me to use it to demonstrate why this is why I've got it. But yeah, carry case. Genuinely impressed by that. So let's tidy up a minute. Make it a little bit more presentable, don't we? So there you go. So yeah, I'm really quite, first impressions, Really quite impressed. Let's get that out the way. But anyway, so a gimbal, the whole point of it, in a nutshell, is when you're using your mobile device, your phone, to record, take photos, XYZ, whatever it is, out and about, so on and so forth, it stops the shaking that you get, like the motion blur and all that funky mess that you sometimes get. This, when it's powered and it's on, will stabilize whatever you're recording. All right, so you see there, wait a minute. So basically, you would have this, because it's free flowing on 3 different axes. When you're holding it straight out, if I then walk around and I move, this is going to be stabilizing, so it makes things a lot smoother. But anyway, so here's the spare phone, and all you do, in a nutshell, okay, all you do, may sound obvious, but I thought I'd just show it. You actually just connect it up into these little grooves, and you want to make sure it's balanced. Okay, when it's on, it'll balance, but when it's balanced, it will use less power to control these motors up here. Do apologize, it was out of frame. But when you are moving around, basically imagine my hand is mimicking its effect. It'll try and keep it as stable as possible when you're moving your hand around. Okay, so basically, if you imagine that's there like that, my hand's doing all this, the motors are going around, and the camera is moving as little as possible. But anyway, as I said, this isn't like too in-depth because this is a 2-parter, as I've said. But the idea for this is when I'm doing my vlog videos, but also the battle reports. So when I'm moving around the board, the video doesn't get choppy. So this has been invested into, fingers crossed, getting more better quality videos out there for the channel for everyone's viewing pleasure. But from first impression, genuinely really impressed by it, and all the videos out there, you know, no one said really anything too bad about it or anything bad about it at all. So I just thought I'd put my 2 cents out there. First impression, first time ever handling a gimbal, honestly. I've had tripods and stuff like that, and stands and boom arms and all that stuff, but never actually a proper, you know, small hand gimbal. And I'm really, really impressed. Really impressed, because all you do to then store it away, make sure that goes away, unless I'm mistaken. Yep, that clicks up there. He says that goes down in there. Ooh. Is that right? Something like that. I'm being special. Do apologise. First time using it. But yeah, there you go. It's just in there. It's stored out the way. Yeah, really quite impressed by it. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit longer and it's just me unboxing and showing the first impression. I will be, as I said, showing the, you know, my recording being used without this gimbal and with the gimbal, and the pros and cons in some point down the line. So, you know, I can actually give an honest review of what this is to use. But anyway, if you genuinely enjoyed the video, please give, you know, thumbs up down below, comment down below. If you've used one of these before, please, you know, comment down below. Any tips to go forward with this? Very much appreciated. Hope this has all helped you. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed and you're liking what you're seeing here, plenty more content down below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. You know the usual, you know, sales pitch for YouTube these days. But anyway, you all take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you around.